Hi students, let's try to understand types of vector. What are types of vector, student, that we are looking about? So dear students, the first type you see polar vector. What do you mean by polar vector, student? These are the vector which have the initial starting point or a point of application. So polar vector, that is displacement vector, force, these are the polar vector. Axial vector, these are the vector which represent rotational effect and act along the axis of the rotation in accordance with the right hand screw rule or right hand thumb rule. Angular velocity, angular acceleration, torque, etc. They are the axial vector, student. So you see angular velocity, this is the angular rotation. Equal vector, these are the vector which have equal magnitude and same direction, so that is going to be equal vector. Next one says, student, parallel vector. These are the vector which have the same direction but their magnitude may be equal or different. So the angle between the two parallel vector is 0, so they are going to be parallel vector. Anti-parallel vector, these are the vector which have opposite direction but their magnitude may be equal or different. These angles between the two anti-parallel vector always 180 degree. So one vector going this direction, one is this direction, that is anti-parallel vector. Collinear vector, these are the vector which lie along the same line. Angle between them can be 0 or 180 degree, that is collinear vector. So 0 or degree, here they are going to be collinear vector, student. Now if you talk about the another type of vector, student, that is here is the zero or null vector, student. So what is zero or null vector, student? A vector having zero magnitude is known as zero vector. Unit vector whose magnitude is 1, that is unit vector. Thank you.